Okay, we are in my driveway, and up until last weekend there were trees at the end of the driveway, but they were taken down, and if we get ice in the driveway or if someone is unfamiliar with the area, they could easily just go right down over the side. It is very steep, the embankment at this point, and I don't know if this will show exactly how steep it is, but it is very steep, and there is nothing for you to catch on to if you were to go over. Here is my property post, and I've been told that it's Amtrak's policy not to disturb anything within 4 to 6 feet of that property line. So you can see these trees are clearly within the 4 to 6 foot area property line. We were also told that these trees would never come down because they were an integral part of the train station project. You can see how badly the bank across from us has eroded because there are no trees, and the only reason this bank is not eroding in the same way is because there were trees. The train station plan at this point has money to put reinforcement on the other side, again, that is very badly eroded, but there is no plan to reinforce this side of the track because, again, the trees were always supposed to stay, and no one is able to tell us why that plan has changed or how it's going to be addressed. And so we have serious concerns about our property and how it's going to be impacted by erosion.